Get barista-grade espresso at home in 30 seconds. Compact stainless steel design fits any kitchen countertop effortlessly. Professional crema and rich flavor with every single shot. No coffee shop lines, just cafe drinks at home. Perfect for home baristas, apartment dwellers, and enthusiasts. Imagine mornings with a cafe-quality latte in minutes. Weekend brunches become professional-looking cappuccinos for guests easily. Small offices serve consistent espresso between meetings daily. Late-night study sessions upgraded with rich, focused espresso. Travel-sized for tiny kitchens, yet feels commercially capable. Entertain friends with silky lattes and flawless latte art. Perfectly timed shots for busy mornings and relaxed weekends. Capture cafe-style consistency without complicated learning curves anymore. Make specialty drinks tailored to every guest's taste. Clear digital controls mean fewer mistakes, more delicious results. 20-bar professional pump delivers commercial-grade pressure for espresso. Expect a thick golden crema and concentrated flavor extraction. 1450 Double fast heating system reaches brewing temperature rapidly. Thermoblock technology heats in about 30 seconds consistently. Precise temperature control maintains ideal extraction temperature every time. Digital display monitors optimal brewing temperature at a glance. Pre-infusion gently blooms grounds for balanced, consistent flavor. Result: reduced bitterness, fuller aroma, and smoother body. Smart programmable functions customize shot volume, temperature, and time. Set volumes from 25 to 300 milliliters for precision. Manual mode enables 75-second brewing for artisanal extraction control. Create consistent single or double shots with programmable presets. LED volume selection simplifies repeatable dosing and shot accuracy. Visible pressure gauge helps dial in perfect extraction levels. 20-second fast heat-up option for immediate brewing readiness. Stable 197° F extraction delivers predictable, high-quality espresso temperature. 360-degree steam wand produces silky microfoam for latte art. Removable steam tip prevents clogging and simplifies cleaning afterward. 1450 Bellows steam power froths milk quickly and evenly every time. Create velvety texture ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. Compact all-in-one design includes essential barista tools in box. Portafilter, dual filters, tamper, spoon, and cleaning kit included. Removable 34-ounce water tank makes refilling fast and convenient. Cup warming tray keeps cups at ideal serving temperature. One-touch operation leads to effortless everyday coffee preparation. Durable stainless steel construction looks premium and cleans easily. Auto shutoff protects energy and prevents overheating after inactivity. Descaling reminders keep the machine performing at peak levels. Removable drip tray and water tank simplify maintenance and cleaning. 75-second manual brew gives tactile control for coffee purists. Programmable temperature control for consistent extraction across beans. Works great with single origin, blends, and home roast beans. Graduated dosing and precise volume selection prevent wasteful over-extraction. Quiet operation suits small apartments and office environments. Safety certifications and supportive 12-hour customer care included. Commercial-grade pressure produces shots indistinguishable from cafe espresso. Consistent extraction means repeatable flavor, shot after shot. From bold ristretto to smooth lungo, dial your preference. Save money daily by replacing cafe visits with home brewing. Morning routines speed up without sacrificing drink quality. Impress friends with latte art created from silky microfoam. Small footprint fits narrow counters, apartments, and office pantries. User-friendly controls flatten the learning curve for beginners. Advanced settings satisfy experienced baristas seeking customization easily. Reliable steam performance for consistent milk texture every pour. The removable steam tip makes daily cleanup worry-free. Pre-infusion plus pressure gauge reduces guesswork in dialing shots. Digital display and presets keep your favorite recipes accessible. Ideal for gifting to coffee enthusiasts and new home baristas. Robust build sustains everyday use across months and years. Descaling reminders and maintenance features extend machine lifespan. Tactile rocker controls give satisfying, precise brewing adjustments. Perfect shots elevate morning rituals into small daily luxuries. Trusted performance for apartments, offices, and boutique kitchens alike. Upgrade your coffee experience. Bring pro-quality espresso home today. Order the JZ Cafe Espresso machine for immediate brewing joy. Limited countertop footprint. Limitless cafe quality possibilities every morning. Enjoy 12-hour customer support and reliable aftercare service. Transform daily routines into artisanal coffee moments with ease. Click to buy now and start crafting perfect shots. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.